What's up, y'all? So I'm in the middle of making breakfast, but what we have here is we have a sweep to the downside, we have a sweep to the upside, but we did break 5 minute structure right there. So right now, all I'm waiting for is just to come out of here, create another imbalance, and I'll be entering for longs, and then I'm gonna target these up here. Gonna risk a little light today, probably only 0.02 lots. I'm just gonna wait for what this candle does to see how it goes. But if I do come back and forth, it's because I'm in the middle of cooking. So I seen this get swept, imbalance created, disrespected this gap. Excuse me, sorry. We had another imbalance created. I believe these moves down came in to tap into these gaps, and then now we're making moves up. So this closes here. Yep, that closed right there. I'm gonna go ahead and honestly enter on a buy here. I'm gonna set my stop losses down here, right at these lows, and my take profit is gonna be set right up here. So we're just gonna let the trade play out. What I didn't like was I moved down. But it's gonna be patient. Do the 5 minute here. We just have two major wicks taking out two key levels. These could be short positions here that can get be targets, but looking at it on this is what I'm worried about. These are kind of stacked, so we can go low on the day, but we do have these highs that are pretty relevant. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the trade play out. Update you guys as the trade goes on. So yeah, I'll be back. Alrighty, so we're currently down right now. Just gotta be patient with it. Market is just kind of all over the place right now. So this right here had me, my bias was up. I entered right after this candle. So I'm just kind of waiting to see if we're following this trend. ES, on the other hand, looks like we're making moves up. So I'm kind of just waiting on that. Looking at the hourly on ES, it does look like we're going to target some highs. I mean, we haven't gone lower at all at 10. So we opened up, boom, and moved up. Sure. I think this is like a sweep. I'm just counting it as a sweep right here on the hourly. I mean, these wicks just got me going up. I don't know why, but I'm feeling confident of us moving higher just because how stacked these highs are, right? I feel like ES wants to target these. I feel like ES wants to target these. And these lows, yes, they're pretty stacked. But after the moves yesterday we made, I think the market wants to go higher. Just because ES has been on like absolute bull run lately, and for some reason they just like tacking their highs. So ES moves up, I'm gonna count on NAS to move up, right? Because we have this high, and then we have this high. Those are all pretty close. I mean, we do. But I'm bullish on the day, which is why I feel like we're gonna target these highs. And this low, I mean, we swept out London, Asia right here too. But then we had this, this low right here on a 30-minute get taken out. And these lows, I don't know. I'm just not confident in us going down. I really am not confident in us going down today. I feel like we're gonna make moves higher. Oh well, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But I know I'm pretty confident that we're making moves up. So this is gonna be my first take profit. I'll secure about 2 lots, set break even, and then let the trade play out because looking at it, the way market opened, it's just too choppy for me to expect us to go to this high. So play it safe, secure my profits here, set break even. Hopefully it, rides out. But if we come up here, that'll be beautiful. That's all I'm waiting for. Made an omelet, some chicken sausage, you got brown rice. We eating good in the morning. Got a vlog out later. So I'm gonna be recording a vlog today for tomorrow. And yeah, stay tuned for that. You just have to be patient. You just have to be patient. So we'll go ahead and let the trade right out. I'll update you guys when we get confirmation of what we're doing or if we hit a profit point. So yeah, that's why I think my light's dying. We got the breakfast in the cup. Yep, yep. Omelet, chicken sausage, rice. Market teased me a little bit. Didn't even hit my take profit point. I was like literally like maybe it was what 3 takes away. I messed up, man. But oh well. Gotta be patient, patient. Hopefully we make moves out. Let's not go down anymore. Let's not do it, bruh. Let's not do it. Look at this big old wig, bruh. Come on. You want to go higher. No, you do. I know you want to go higher. I mean, it could have been manipulation, reversal. But, let's wait and see. I was so close. If I just waked up in there, secured set break even on it done. Yeah. Honestly, does look like we're just gonna make moves down now today. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm getting stopped out. I think the streak ends today. I think the streak ends today. Gotta charge my light, bruh. What time was that? So we had 10:30, 10, 10:30, and it was up. I mean, it was down. So at 10 mark, we were consolidating again. Now be patient. I'll just be patient. Something I did not take into factor today. I honestly, excuse me, honestly did not look at news. If I'm being honest. Hey, CPI, CPI, CPI. Maybe that's why we were waking like freaking crazy this morning. Makes so much sense. Makes so much sense. Let me check the heat map. Hey, absolutely red on the day. Yeah, so honestly, judging by that right there, I'm not too sure what we're doing. It's just CPI, and then we're red on the heat map. So now it's really just about being patient. I mean, I'm already bullish on the day, so hopefully we're not tapping into a gap here. You already disrespected that 5 minute. Then you have this gap here. And we got this little baby gap right here. So yeah, who's gonna hope for the best? My dogs will pick it up. Here they come. Vacuum. There you go. You see that? Come on. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I'll just still wait. I'll update you guys whenever whatever happens. But um, yeah. So I do have to leave in a little bit. So honestly, I'll probably just let this trade play out and then come back and continue the video and whatever happens, happens. Whether I'm stopped out or I hit take profit. So yeah, we're about 2 hours in the trade, currently up still. Honestly, at this point, I am really just waiting for it to hit this. And then you can see here. I mean, these are some levels that we can hit, but right now this volume's weak, very weak. We had to push up here, but again, I could have entered here. But even then, still pretty high on targets. But with the 1 minute, I mean, we haven't even broke any really structure at this low. It's high, broke that high, this low. Ooh. Excuse me. Breakfast, man. But yeah, I'm really just waiting. Hopefully these moves right here can force it to go higher. Give me some sort of work here. I don't think it'd be a 1-to-1. Um, honestly, just because I think my stop is a little less. It's about a, I guess you could say it's a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 would be right here. Just a little higher, so. This would be a 2.5 damn near. 2.3 to be exact. This is a 3-to-1, so. Gotta be patient with it. Hopefully, we can come up, make some moves high, and get out of this trade, go to a little run with the boys. That guy's passed out back there, so. That guy's slumped. The other one's in the bottom of the bed. He likes to sleep underneath the bed, so hopefully that wicked into that imbalance, and we're making moves higher, coming up to grab this. Because I really do want this high. I just want this high, just so I can secure. But yeah, just be patient. Just gotta wait it out. Bro, I want you guys to hear this. This is so crazy. It's about it's about a disabled kid with no arms. But listen to this joke he says. You are currently failing my class. How? You haven't handed in one assignment. You can go back to your seat. Bro, he's like this, right? The guy is actually disabled. Like they're just joking around. But he's like this. The teacher goes, "You are currently failing my class. You haven't handed in one assignment." Well, when I tell you that joke had me dying, I was freaking crackling. Like, don't get me wrong, it's not funny to laugh at it, but like the joke itself, because in the video you can see them trying not to laugh at that, even the disabled guy, because because then he turns around and then walks away. But that joke was just brutal. The teacher told the disabled kid that, they're fired on spot. I swear, they're fired on spot. There's no way you got your job back. Those were absolutely just joking. Oh, he's moving up and down. Huge, like huge moves up, huge moves down. Because low here, high here, low here, high here, low here, right? Relatively equals high here, low here, high here, low. So we made a lower low here. So we're gonna be going higher low. Right here started the downtrend, but then we broke structure, right? Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, lower low, higher low, lower high. No, no, higher high, lower high here, lower high here. Right? So high, high, low, low. Consolidated right here. Boom. Then we have another high that came out of it. and then we create another lower low. So right now, hopefully this doji pushes up high, pushes this higher. Honestly, I'm not a candle pattern trader, but understanding what certain candles do for you really help your trade. Like obviously this candle right here, right? So this right here is we made moved it down to wick liquidity. Then we closed up here. So we opened here, made a move up. So this telling me right now buyers are taking over. Okay. Then we opened here, moved up, wicked here, but closed to the upside. So I'm thinking, right, right after that close here, boom, now I just gotta be patient, right? Because our buyers are probably taking over. That's why we closed up. Boom, we moved down. I went to the 1 minute right after that sweep to the 1 minute, waited for us to inverse this. We closed above it. Boom, I entered. Why? Because we had this gap, we had this gap, and we had this gap. Moves down, came in, boom. We had an up candle, had a down candle, wick, wick. Then we had an up candle, wake up, right? Because we had two imbalances. So now I'm just all right. Either one of these are getting reversed because I'm not counting this as a, you know. So we took out this one. We just took this gap. We still have this one and this one. Well, this candle closed up. So that's telling me we tapped in, filled these gaps. Okay, had a up candle close. We had a down candle wick into either a 30-second, somewhere in the second, right? In the second marks. Boom. Then we had another candle wick up, and then we had another candle wick up, close down. Wick up, close up. Wick up, close down. So our buyers want to take over. Our buyers want to take over. Boom, we finally get our buyers to take over. Here, we close up. We inverse this gap. Okay, we inverse this gap. Absolutely disrespect it. We no longer tapped into it. All right. Then we came down, closed low. We closed low. We had a big, strong down candle. But that was after I entered. So now it was more like, all right, right now we're just consolidating. But at 8:30 we had it's here. Right. Right, because here we had news come out, which caused the candle to just take a dramatic bull run to sweep out these highs. I think that's what that was. CPI. CPI news took out those highs. Yeah. But holy crap, man. Can we just do something? Jeez. Like, I don't care at this point what we do. Like, my patience, man. Like, I'm really working on my patience, but let's just test it. Hmm. So I'm just gonna wait. Hopefully this profit is hit. I'll update you guys after. I don't want to bore you guys because if it keeps doing this, you guys are gonna be here forever. So, well, we hit my first take profit point. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure my profits before we make these moves down. Here, I'm low key gonna actually close the trade. Honestly, I really don't. I just don't want to wait that long. I don't know. The way market's looking, there's no volume. It looks like I just, I just personally don't want to wait that long. I got my profit secured, so no need. We can just 1 to 1. I'm gonna drag my stop loss down here. I might take profit put right there. It would be a pretty, solid trade to hit here. we're just gonna go ahead and secure here. Um, it's pretty safe. So I'll partially close. Mm. Partial close half of my position here. So that leaves us with today. We're up about 166. So just gonna wait for it to get hit here. Um, I just I'm just not gonna sit here for another hour or so. So I'm happy with what we've done for the week. So I'm okay with, coming up here and hitting that profit point. If we do, that'd be perfect. Uh, you know, this trade would have been amazing, but I just don't think we had the volume to come up here and take these highs out. So that's just me. We can target these ones, but again, I it's a Friday. I personally do not think we're just having the volume. So taking a safe bet here and just gonna take my 1-to-1. Yeah, we'll just see how this one plays out. I mean, we're already up about 166. No, I'm just waiting to hit the 1-to-1. But I swear, if we make more moves down and then consolidate again, I'll be irritated. Ah. Come on, come on, get there, get it, get it. Just a little higher, just a tad bit higher. Come on, just like a tad bit higher. Dude, dude, come on, bro. Just a tad bit higher. Yeah, just maybe a little bit more. Right there. Dude. Oh, oh. Let's go up. Just go up. Just go up. Just go up. Like, you're right there, dude. Dude, you're right there. What are we doing? You're right there. Come on. Come on, bro. Oh, you're right there. Dude, what are we doing? Oh my God. There's no way. It's like so messed up, bro. Bro, that's so messed up. Look how close we were. Dude, look how close we were. Like, are you serious? You know what? Screw it. I'm closing it. Bro, I'm closing it. Like, I don't even want to. Like, that should have hit. That should have hit TP. Hey, bro, come on. Come on. Come on. I know you want to go up. Bro, do I really have to bring it up? I think that's what it was. So, bro, let me just do this real quick. Maybe if I, maybe if I do this real quick, right? Maybe, just maybe this strap will work. Yeah, I'm done. Yep, I'm done. I'm gonna close it right here. That's it. That's it. That's a win. This is a win of the day. I'll give it until it gets here. I'll give it until it gets there. Once I'm out of the zone, I'm closing it. If it doesn't hit it in that time, I'm closing it because that's just me. That's just me. Come on, man. It's working. It's working. Anything for the trade. Wow. Dude, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Like, just hit it, bro. Just hit it. You're right. Bro, you're right there. Don't give me good luck, Vader. Don't give me good luck. Maybe I just need to give you pets. Dude. Bro, it's messing with me. Market knows. Market's messing with me right now. Market is so messing with me right now. Bro, market is so messing with me right now. Oh my gosh. See, yeah, I would have been sitting here forever if I wanted targeted those eyes. Bro, I would have been waiting forever. I would have been sitting here just dreading. I would have been like one of those TikTok freaking traders just on the markets for no reason. You know what? We'll do this instead. There we go. We're just gonna do that. I'm just gonna move my stop loss. So now we're playing in this zone. Now we're playing in this zone. Because this shit wanna take forever. Well, if it's got me out, I'll make you profit. And if it hits take profit, I'll make go profit. That's the way we're gonna do that. I'm gonna set it at this low. Right there. Because at this point, dude, this market is just toying with me. Because that was just me. That was just me. Bro, I've been in this trade for like hours. I'm currently up right now. Hopefully we can hit TP. It was messing with me right here. Like really, dude. Like it just couldn't hit full take profit. Like, come on. Like, what are we doing? Oh, come on. Mm. Come on, fam. We're right there. We're right there, fam. He's gonna be like 200, so you just get out of here. Come on, we're right there. I don't want to cut it because if it hits, I'm gonna have to just turn the camera right back on. Dude. Oh, thank God. Full TV. Full TV. Ha 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 ha. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. We are going higher, but I mean, bro, I'm not sitting there for another freaking 2 hours, bro. That was so damn annoying, bro. Look at this. All right, bro, I'm gonna cut it. Stay tuned for the vlog though. I'll probably upload that tomorrow. And yeah, catch y'all next week. Had a good week. Green all the way through. I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see what we was. Hey, today's profit 370.57. Loved it. 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 This week, this month, this year. Well, this week, man. I'm currently up about 21K on the week. So that's solid, man. That's solid. Holy crap, man. That trade was dreadful. That really tested my patience there. But we just moved stop loss to right here. And if I hit, I hit it. So gotta be patient, just a little 1 to 1. Nothing too crazy. So was targeting these highs. We're not getting it this week. At least not today. At least not today. So solid week, solid week. Gotta go back, journal, do back testing. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Stay tuned for next week. Coming in hot.